So right now I'm currently syncing all my customer data from Stripe. Currently syncing all that in, all my customer data from Stripe. I've already synced 17,000 customers, 4,000 payments, which is about $93,000. 22 refunds it looked like I had. Currently syncing all that in. I'm going to show it to you, but first we're going to go to our settings. And we're going to go down here in our settings to privacy mode so that you can't see any of my customer information. You can see that we got email validation in here if you want to use email validation. We got a whole public API. Got your own AI integration if you want to use Open Router so that you can use whatever AI that you want. It can sync all your unsubscribes if you already have unsubscribes in your providers. Got webhook information. We have a bunch of different email providers like Mailgun, Postmark, MailerSend, SendGrid, Amazon SES, and Resend. We're going to be integrating more here soon. But again, you can see we've got our dashboard. We got live visitor tracking where we're tracking visitors on our website right now. And then if they opt in, they're just auto subscribed because the script actually listens to them, and anybody who actually opts into the form is auto subscribed. I'll kind of show you how that is. Here's 2 emails sent, 1 open, 1 clicked, but you can kind of see what happened here. The subscriber came to this page. It's not even this page, it's a page on Friender because I have the script on Friender. So you can see it initialized there. They viewed this, they went to this invite page, and on this invite page there's actually an opt-in form, so they opted in there, so they were auto-subscribed. They were enrolled in an automation because they were auto-subscribed. We sent them email via API that happens over on Friender. We use the API to send an email. They're still viewing our pages. I can see they're going to log into Friender because they're at the auth route. Send them an email from automation. They completed that email. They actually opened up the email from the API. They clicked on the email from the API to actually log in. And they came back to actually log in. I can see that they've just been looking around on Friender on their dashboard. They went and checked out Friend Disconnector. All right, but back to, we have so much stuff here. We have our customers. We have, again, our live visitors. We have our campaigns that are actually working. This campaign you can see is being throttled, so I've throttled this campaign to just send 1,000 an hour, and right now I have it paused. You can see all your stats, you can see the activity, what's actually happening, you can see people actually opening it, clicking links. All right, again, I have privacy mode on so that you guys can't see my subscribers and stuff, but you can see your campaigns. You can do email series. You can literally have the AI create email series for you. You can do that according to a framework. If we want to use hook story offer framework, you can use that. If you want to use the password framework, you can use that. Just drag and drop some files in. How many emails do you want to create? This will create an entire AI email series like this, where you just have a email series that was created automatically for you. If you don't like that, you could just create an automation like this. Where we've got some start triggers, so you can add as many start triggers as you want. Got stop triggers that will stop this automatically, and then all we do here is we just send an email. Then obviously we have more stuff that we can do. We can send emails, we can wait, we can add or remove tags, we can add to segment, remove from segment. We have conditional blocks where we have even API calls if you want to do an API call. So we have a nice visual automation. We have, again, the AI email writer if you want to write just a single email. Writes it pretty easy. You can save templates if you want to save emails, templates. Got a knowledge base to actually upload all the information about your products and offers so that whenever you write emails, the AI can just look at your information and know what you offer, know what your products are about. So I've uploaded all the features of Anunnaki so that I can write emails about our email marketing software. Got frameworks, all our inbuilt frameworks. If you don't know what they are, you can check them out, and it tells you what the framework is, why to use it. The AI knows the AI will use it. You can upload your own frameworks if you want. Then you got your stuff for your voice. So the AI will understand your brand voice. I've uploaded my voice Bible, and then I've just let it know that we curse and misspell stuff. We use profanity so that it knows to actually use profanity on my emails. Got your brand assets if you want to upload logos so that the AI knows how to use that. Got all your logs for your Stripe webhooks because there's a Stripe integration. API logs to see if you're actually using the API. Got all your settings. Again, I showed you the settings, all the different email providers, all your configured providers. If you want to validate emails. And again, what we're doing right now is we're just syncing our customers. We're syncing our customers so that we can actually know, hey, we've already sunk. It's in the middle of syncing right now. We've got some other Stripe accounts here that I'm going to sync here in a little bit. But I've already sunk, looks like 1,700 customers and 6,100 payments for a total amount of revenue for $117,000 right now. Got 12,000 customers. The reason you're seeing a discrepancy is because some of our customers are duplicate and we just join them by email, so it's all unique emails in here. You can see this one made 42 payments right here. If he subscribed, he is an email subscriber, so I can see that he's paid me $3,599, and I can see where he's at. I can see all the payments that he paid here. I can see all his payment. I can see all his payment information here. That's all his payment information. And if I want, I can even go over and look at him as a subscriber, and I can see all his information. I can see all his information as a subscriber here. Okay. I can see I sent him one email. He's opened one. I can see he's subscribed. I can see the segments that he's on. I can see what tags he's on. I can add him to an automation. I can see his total revenue, refunds, payment. If he's on any subscription, I can see his timeline. He got added. I sent him an email. He opened it, or they opened it, whoever it is. But that's a little update on what's going on in the good old Anunnaki.